Hello everyone, I am Shahriar and in this video I will be unboxing Wacom Intuos Small. Don't worry, in the full review version of this tablet, I will be going over all of the details and a sub to the channel will be massively appreciated. So without further ado, let's get into it. Right out of the box we have the tablet itself, and it's a small version, and as you can see it is a very slim and lightweight. The next item is some paperwork and some user manuals on how to set up and how to redeem your softwares. Don't worry, at the end of this video I will be explaining all of that stuff, and also some other paperwork. The next item is the pen itself. The pen is battery free and doesn't need battery or external chargers to work. And the other item in the box is the cable. It is a micro USB to type A, and the cable itself is lengthy. The cable is very lengthy, and if that is something that you need, you have it right out of the box. So as I said before, the cable is USB type A to micro USB. The tablet itself, as first impression, is very lightweight, and as I said, a small version, and also it has some express button that you can configure according to your need, according to every software that you use. And the working area of the tablet is as I'm showing. And also you can use the loop at the top of the tablet to hold the pen. And it's very sturdy and the pen won't fall. The pen itself is also lightweight. It has two buttons. Again, you can configure. By default, it's right click, and also it differs from each software. For example, in Photoshop, it's right click, and also you can configure it to every task that you want. At the first impression, while writing on a tablet, it has a very satisfying sound, and also it has good amount of friction. You almost feel like it's writing on a paper. Not completely, because it will be unrealistic. To set up the tablet, connect the tablet to your computer using its USB type A, and then go to wacom.com/intuos/start, and as you can see, it shows you the 3 steps that you can set up the software. The first step is to connect, as we did before, and the next step is to download that from the Wacom site and install them. Choose your operating system between Mac and Windows, and after that your download will begin. When you finish downloading, as always, go and install the drivers. The installation is very simple. Just next and finish. You will be done with the installation. When you finish installing, you can see that Wacom Desktop Center, and you open it. If you haven't registered your product to the site, it will have an option for registering your product to the site. It is automatic, and just click on it and your product will be registered in the Intuos section. When you register your software, you can redeem your software bonuses and download them, because if you haven't registered, you cannot redeem your software options. And also the Wacom tablet properties, it is a very interactive and self-explanatory settings. As you can see, you can change lots of settings, lots of functionalities of the tablet. You can recustomize the buttons. You can configure the buttons on the pen. And also you can configure according to each software that you use. For example, I have Photoshop and Lightroom, and I can map all of the keys to do different functions in different softwares. These settings are very easy and self-explanatory, so I will not go over them. And if you have any question, write it down in the comments below. I will answer them accordingly. So when you finish registering your software, you will have an option redeem your software, and when clicking on it, you will be redirected to Wacom site, to your account. And if you didn't set up Wacom account, you can set up by just entering your email address and also some other information, and you will be good to go. After that, you will be prompted with 3 different choices, 3 different softwares which you can download, and it is different for each version. For Intuos Small without Bluetooth, you can select from one of 3. For Intuos Small with Bluetooth, you can choose from 2 of the 3, and for the Intuos Medium, you can choose to download all of the 3 softwares. I will be going over the details in the next video, so stay tuned for that. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel to not miss any future contents.